Welcome to this demo of Agentic AI with SAP CoPilot. Today, we'll see how CoPilot simplifies sales analytics in SAP Business One. The user starts by asking for details of open sales order. CoPilot instantly shows data in tables and visualizes it as bar chart, pie chart, or scatter chart. CoPilot shows a clear vendor-wise summary. The user then asks for sales order amount of MaxiTech. CoPilot Instant show the table of open sales order amount. The user asks open delivery order list of MaxiTech. CoPilot shows a table with document date, posting date, due date, business partner name, and an open delivery order list chart. CoPilot instantly responds with a summary. The user asks for total outstanding of MaxiTech. CoPilot Instant show the table of total outstanding. Next, the user requests list of highest revenue. CoPilot generates clear tables showing highest revenue value. The user then asks for total sales value per fiscal year. CoPilot show the year-wise total sales return. Next, the user requests outstanding wise customer list. CoPilot generates clear tables showing key customers, high-value products, and revenue contribution. The user asks month-wise outstanding list. CoPilot generates posting year and month-wise total data shows. Behind the scenes, Agentic AI ensures accuracy and delivers insights instantly. This makes SAP Business One faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Thank you for watching this demo of SAP CoPilot for Sales Analytics.